Hello again, it's me Kate Stichin and you're on InstaForex TV channel. Every day investors encounter new evidence of a slowdown in the global economy. The Markit Economics research group released a batch of PMIs which revealed contraction of business activity in the eurozone's industrial sector. Besides, PMI of the United States manufacturing sector slipped to the print slightly above the threshold line which separates expansion from contraction. According to flash estimates, PMI is expected to be at 50.1 in June, the lowest level since September 2009. Analysts had forecast a flat reading for June. The US services PMI also fell short of expectations. The reading for June sank to 50.7, having posted the weakest business activity since February 2016. All these indicators signal sluggish business and aware that leads to deceleration of consumer inflation, soft employment, and a slowdown of economic growth. In this context, the US dollar index is closing the week with losses after massive sell-offs yesterday when traders got to know the Fed's intention to cut interest rates. Meanwhile, the US dollar index is trading sideways at around 96.50. The Canadian dollar revealed interest in market moves during the North American trade. The USD CAD pace finishing the trading week with a minor retracement. Despite growing oil prices, traders decided to sell the Canadian dollar in light of disappointing data. As a result, the USD CAD pair climbed to 1.3220. Investors are discouraged by Canada's retail sales grew at a slower pace in April. Retail sales inched up 0.1% month-on-month. Investor sentiment did not improve, though the previous score was upgraded to 1.3% from 1.1% in the flash estimate. Such market sentiment proves that the Canadian dollar is overbought, so traders found an excuse to revise their positions. That's all for now. We're waiting for you on our channel on Monday. We wish you profitable deals and have a nice weekend.